Dumelang, dumelang, bana ba khai. I hope le shapo bathong lona. Khalegile ne. Let's go ra aka ima. Wa itse re bya nga ke rata iphitlha and then re bo mo le ka dimpa re bontsha letsogo. Re bontsha lo tengana le lekana. Guys, welcome back. I know it has been a hot minute. Ke go pa maitshwarelo. I have just been very inconsistent. And then I'm sorry that I didn't prioritize showing up. But anyway, we are trying on a SHEIN wig I have had since last year. I've already adjusted it to fit my length of the wig, so I have tried it on. So I'm not gonna pretend like it's my first try on, but let's put it on and let me just show you on first impression. Right? I absolutely love the hairline. Bonafel. What is the meaning of this hairline? I love the hairline and the texture is decent. Like, I won't say it's like brilliant, but honestly with kinky wigs, I feel like those are one of the wigs you can get away with a little bit of a lower quality wig. My relationship with wigs right now is shaky because it's shaky, and more especially with lace frontals, because these days, oh my gosh, I can't get over this hairline. These days I feel like I need to be honest with myself and my situationship. Lady lace frontal. Wait, these days I go frontal, ke hopola trauma ya di bob cut. I go it's a little bob cut when I go hammer bob cut in your right. Why I say hore oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. Why I say hore the frontal ding khopotsa di bob cut is because I hope a lot of bob cut in the pila yang wana go high. No, you rock are unia long oh American actress ne Mara. After 2 to 3 business days ne bupila ba teng ne bo fela. Bupila ba teng ne bo fela no ska bolela maka o tsore ke bolela ga nyake. Bupila ba teng ne bo fela. And then ke mole yanong o thoma go manager o itse gore wa lwela mara rona ra botle ra bona gore a wa mo bathong ile ya pila bang ra bona ra bangana go hae go fedile akere. And that's actually how I feel about frontals right now, is that frontals look good for 2 to 3 business days, and then for the rest of the days I'm forcing things. Ke mole ke plaka le dilo. And I can't live like that because I work, guys. I go to work every morning. And I need to show up in front of people. And I feel like it's awkward for both of us when we're in a situation where you know that I know that you know that I know that your lace is not looking correct. And then we need to both pretend like we do not see the big elephant in the room, which is your lace. I cannot be embarrassed like that. And that is why I have not wanted to wear lace fronts to work, because on a Monday, I will look like a baddie. And then on a Wednesday, kikanya, mako. Let's not go there. I am now gonna try and glue this wig on, but I wanna try something, okay? These transparent sticking traceless fixed hair. Apparently this is going to save my life. This might save me wanting to use lace fronts going forward. I'm gonna try it on my mini straightener. I'm gonna stick it on my mini straightener like this. It's gonna peel off now. You see that? So that's supposed to stick to your skin. And then what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to take the lace that I cut off. And once I stick on the lace is supposed to stay stuck. This doesn't seem to work. This doesn't seem to work, but I'm gonna try it. Okay. Shabong. Lona. I guess you'll get a mara re tla bona go pele. Another thing I don't like about frontals is because my forehead kenyane, so o get a wiki ilimo o ka re ka pere beret o ka re ke mamrapelo ka beret since in name frontal biang. I don't like those weird hairlines. I need to feel like the hairline is mine, but why well? So I didn't say hair. I didn't install. Where's that? Yes. They're all out. Okay. So I'm just gonna install it how I usually install all my other hair, right? I always start at the center. So let's do that. I think I just don't know how to use this thing properly. So please, if you know how to use this, teach me. But it actually grips like a manana. Okay, not really. Well, unless uyang then it won't grip. But let me try and install this normally because this thing is not working for me. Bengiyaphi moya oyingcwele. Bengiyaphi. Yo. Oh shit, no. Oh fuck, this is painful actually. Ashu utswile Satan. I am never trying this thing ever in my life again. Honestly, it almost took me out. I am lucky I have already edited, but it could have actually just came out with my edges. So I thank the Lord. I thank the Lord that I still have my edges, but I'm not gonna try God again. Next, ngasuhile kilikile mudimu happy. Umpile chance mole. I don't wanna Kalimeha and Kalimehile Jehovah. So I still want to show you guys the wig because it is a really cute wig. So I'm just gonna install it the way I do my normal installs, right? And then finish this video because this was not meant to take this long. This was supposed to be a short ass video. So yeah, I'm using, as per usual, my got to be glue because that's the only thing I trust in this moment. I need to go home and trust the things that I trust. So finish off my rant because at this point, guys, I cannot be the only one who feels like, if I'm being honest, lace frontals are one-day events. Okay, they are event-based things. They are event-based hair, and we are pretending like it's not. Let's stop lying to ourselves because at this point now I'm tired of being stressed by hair. And just so you guys know, I am well aware that my struggles with wigs can actually just be my installation problems, right? Like the fact that I don't know how to install a wig well. I am very much well aware of that. And that's why I'm saying, for me, I'm done. I'm done. I don't want to fight wigs anymore. I will keep the frontals I have, but I don't envision myself buying any new frontals. Nope. Okay, let's finish this install because I think this wig is gorgeous. Gorgeous-y. I think this girl is gorgeous, actually, you know? Like, Oh yes, another reason why I feel like aksakona kadi frontal is most of the time with frontals, you need to have like a full beat on, guys, for the wig to look like the way it's supposed to look. And I can't. And I'll put the disclaimer of, once again, if you are not having a HD lace and you are having a normal wig, like this is even good lace, but I feel like sometimes you need to be on some full beat tip for the wig to be nice. And I'm not waking up every morning get a full face beat, because what and why is that? Maybe mara wig the standard person in the wig, they need to have a full face beat on. Even on the videos we show you online, it's like I'm forced to do a face beat when I am doing a wig and showing you guys, whether it's sponsored or not sponsored. Like, I am absolutely forced to do a face, a little bit of makeup here and there, so that the look can look presentable, the wig can look presentable. I don't wear makeup all my life. We are back, and I love big hair, okay? The bigger the hair, the closer to hallelujah. I absolutely love big hair. So let's take this band off, and then we're gonna do like a final melt. Hopefully I can wear this wig. Okay, I am not mad. I am not mad at this girl. I absolutely am not mad at her. She's just big, okay? She's just really big at the back. So I need to change up her size. Okay. But this is not a good way to take a hiatus away from buying wigs. I mean frontals. Like, this frontal is frontaling. Okay, Ungariki Vivian. What generation? How generation will give like a. So I'm gonna try this melting spray that I also got from SHEIN. Let's just see if the girly melts. Okay, so I'm literally gonna put the camera like close so you can see if the melt is gonna melt or not, right? But it's about use much China living. You gotta get in a week, so. Gotta get in a week. She's not doing much. Honestly, I don't see what she's doing. Whatever it is, I don't see it. Like, she's not super melting the wig. I low-key feel like I want to use my everyday spray. If anything, I feel like it's lifting a little bit. This madam, this perfect touch madam, she is better than Isoplus. You know what? I never steer you wrong, guys. I never ever steer you wrong. She is way better than Isoplus. I feel like Isoplus more it leaves like a white cast thing, and I get honey funny one. So Isoplus is not it, but I don't know if it's gonna still look good on top of this SHEIN one. But yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna show on top of the SHEIN one. But I'm gonna do another install, and I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys this wig what is up, because this girl, she knows what she's doing. But anyway, guys, let me do one more melt, and then I will just close the video and give you my final thoughts on this wig, because I actually really like her. Yes, when a SHEIN cow. More SHEIN. I'll say SHEIN. I don't know why. I guess whoever implemented this tax thing, because I feel like if it wasn't for the tax thing, I might buy a 5x5 closure. Because SHEIN outdid herself. I don't know why I waited so long to install this girly, because this girly is giving. She is giving. I'm so happy. Happy on a high. Poo. Okay, bye bye.